Alrighty, we're here with waemid and Cam and Jay.
Boys. Yep.
So, wait, this is officially waemid's truck now.
Yep.
How do you feel about it?
Welcome to Poor Financial Decisions, episode 9. In today's video, we are going to be buying this completely rusted out 80s truck because, yeah, and so, because 4 reasons.
So today we're going to be putting in the window for him. Yeah. Then he brought Cam's truck. 89 Eliminator. It's pretty cool. Pretty sweet. Looking pretty nice. Yeah, the leaves are decent on it.
Still got some life. For sure.
Yeah. The underside of the bed's really clean too. Just a couple,
Just
a couple holes.
my fan crown.
Nice. Sweet. Looks good. And then Jay's got his XJ. Let's go get your XJ, Jay.
Oh, yeah. We'll take a look at them.
Looks good.
Yeah, and he got me new
Sorry.
seats. Oh, you're good. He got me new seats from that guy in Michigan.
Oh, yeah.
So we're gonna swap those out.
Sick.
I also have an issue with the turn signal.
Okay.
Sometimes if I do it just right, turning left, it'll flash like my hazards are on.
Oh, interesting.
So I figured out you reset it, you just turn the hazards on and off, and that fixes it. And I've kind of figured out how to not cause that issue.
Okay.
But I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it. That way I don't have to worry about it.
Nice. Black looks good too.
Yeah, I definitely got to repaint the hood and probably the roof.
Yeah.
But the body itself is still pretty decent.
Yeah.
I mean,
Looks nice.
I have to address
Yeah.
that.
And then your rockers are about the same as mine.
Yeah, I'll probably replace the rockers. The driver's side's a little bit worse.
Is
but
it?
I mean, we can definitely save it.
Yeah,
You know.
definitely.
So.
Cool.
Yeah, I just got to find the time and money to actually tend to it.
Yep.
Thankfully, my grandpa's a welder, so
Oh, perfect.
as long as he's got scrap steel, I
Yeah,
can do it for free in his driveway.
Yeah, sweet.
But
Very cool.
yeah.
Well, let's start.
Oh, we got to start it. Well, first of all, welcome everybody to Consolidated Corporation Bus Lines. We know it's a big decision who you ride with, and we are privileged to have been chosen.
You want the fuel pump prime, waemid? Fire in the hole. Oh, wait. I know why it's not starting. I took all the gas out of it. I'll put some gas in it for you. All right, fire in the hole. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. There she is.
That's a nice rumble.
Sounds good. I know, not bad, right? Look at that, I gave you a whole quarter tank. Oh yeah. She starts to clear up when she gets warm. Yeah.
You just gotta get it warm.
So, what do you feel about your purchase?
I feel like I'm gonna regret this in about 20 minutes, but right now it's awesome.
It's awesome, okay.
Grab this.
Alright, so got the bead on there. It's alright. And we're gonna put it in. Don't drop it. You want to be a red film?
Oh God,
camera
I don't
guy?
know, man.
So, okay, just hang on to it with this and just don't drop it.
Okay.
Just hold it just like that, and then you can see the screen and see it's doing. Yeah, so just get it here. So this goes on the outside. So this is gonna sit on here.
Oh,
that makes
it
sense.
doesn't like
Nope.
go on that lip. Okay.
Correct.
Like right there.
Here, you'll see at the top here. Okay, we're gonna go down with it.
Oh.
Yep, just like that. And squeeze it in. Squeeze it in. All the way around. Okay. Okay, let me go get the. It should be good, but I'm gonna grab some.
There we go.
I'm gonna put this on my resume.
Yeah. Yeah, you're a real cameraman now.
Oh, darn.
I'm being filmed in like 4K, like 100 frames a second. When I was here the first time, Kyle left his camera on accident. I was like, is this thing still recording? It had been recording for like 20 minutes, and the video file was like 100 gigabytes or something.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
So we get in a time lapse video here.
I think this is more money. The most money I've ever
Most
held
one
in my
you've ever
hands.
held. Yeah.
I'm trying to keep this like even pressure on it, you know.
That's okay.
Here, I can hop in there and get one side if you wanna.
Yeah.
No, it's in there.
So switch up on this corner up here. You see? The glass is gonna break, and I'm gonna face plant into the broken glass.
In the broken glass, exactly.
It's like defusing a bomb.
Don't cut the red wire.
I don't know if you saw that interview with the guy that was on a bomb squad for some major city.
How's it?
And someone asked him like, how do you keep calm when you're in a life-threatening.
We gotta push this.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay.
That's good.
And he was like, how do you keep
That's solid now.
how do you keep calm in a life-threatening situation, defusing bombs and stuff? And his answer was, well, the way I see it, it's pretty simple. Either I defuse the bomb or it's not my problem anymore.
Yeah.
This is true.
Skydive without a parachute, but only once. That sort of thing.
Yeah.
Okay, what does it feel like to be a red operator? Red camera.
I was telling him I'm gonna put this on my resume, man.
Yeah, there you go.
It's literally your name.
Yeah.
That's it. She's in.
Like you said, almost professional.
That
Nice.
was pretty intense.
It's like a pro-am.
All right, so we're gonna make Jay's really faded black or gray back to black again with some ammo pro frame trim coat. Just gonna give it a whirl.
I didn't even know you could do that.
Oh
Yeah, I wasn't aware of it either, but
Oh yes.
Kyle coming in clutch.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Dang.
Yeah, this stuff lasts a pretty decent amount of time too.
This stuff you just grab at Menards or
No, this
probably
stuff,
not.
No, yeah, this stuff is from Larry. He has a YouTube channel too, actually.
Okay,
He does like auto detailing stuff. This is actually his product too that he made.
gotcha.
So yeah, I've used all his stuff for a really long time for the Cobra.
Oh,
That's
okay.
kind of okay.
That's really nice.
Usually buy new ones.
And I mean, I might eventually, but
This lasts depending on how it almost like it's like you have like a green tint to it for some reason.
yeah, I don't know. I assume it sat in the sun a while, but really quick, before you do this one, there's a little bit of a before and after here.
Look at that, man. That's
Wow.
incredible.
Yeah, that works.
That was instant.
Distinguished. That works really well.
Get that for on the truck, the plastic pieces or
Like right there.
Yeah, compare it to this.
Yeah,
That like almost matches the paint.
it almost does.
That's incredible.
Compared to this look here, which I mean I don't mind, but it looks a lot better. What's that over here?
So there's new.
Okay.
50/50.
Let's see here. Oh, there we go.
Yep. And then
Wow.
this is before and after.
Looking good.
huh?
It's almost like a brand new Jeep.
I know. Yeah, Waemid, this has this on your those B-pillar
That's why it looks so
things.
nice.
That's why they look, because they were this color too. And that's been 2 years with that.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Oh.
Look at how cinematic this is.
It's pretty
We
cool.
got, I don't know all the terms for maneuvering a camera. There's I'm making it look like a limited with the paint matched.
Right?
Possible.
We are all being blown away right now.
Mind blown.
I think she's gonna need 3.
Oh.
Just for that one last little bit there.
Yeah, this, your doors,
Oh, the handles,
and
yeah.
then you can find anything else.
Forward in that one, it's not.
All right, get out of the frame, everybody. I'm trying to show off Kyle's expert work. That is so nice.
Looks nice, right?
Oh yeah, the buttons.
The limiteds had those paint matched
Right.
bumper corners, and it makes it. We're about to put some classic trim seats in this thing too.
Nice.
You could do a waemid, did you get
Just
that?
good.
All the way.
You know, piece by piece, it's going to become a limited.
It is. All right, let's do a couple on Cam's truck, I guess.
Oh yeah.
You didn't read your shirt
Nice.
right now.
Oh.
Water coverage.
Have you never noticed the shirt?
No, I saw the Jeep on it, but I never read about
Oh
it.
yeah. Yeah, I wore it just for today's occasion.
After. Yeah.
That's all she's got.
All right. Well, it certainly looks better.
Oh, we got some left.
Oh, okay.
You don't have to record if you're done already. Are you still going?
Yeah. Oh, I got
Edit it all out.
distracted. Look at this. It's cherry pie in Kyle's driveway. Look at us, boys. We've made it.
This is peak life right here.
It's all downhill from here.
Yeah. Also, I don't know if you can see.
Let me know when you're ready.
Ready to rock.
Confirmation on engine start.
Success. All the lights work. The reverse lights work.
All right.
There we go. Alrighty. Well, down to 2 Renix Jeeps. So there we go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch. And definitely consider becoming a member of the channel. You get access to my Discord channel where we just kind of hang out, talk, show pictures of our Jeeps, do a little bit of gaming, that kind of stuff. So if you feel like supporting the channel a little bit more, that it's definitely appreciated. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching the video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.